And my jacket is soaking wet. And my pants are wet. And my shirt. And me. It's wet. I'm sad. Look, I'm going to show you what it looks like outside. It looks like crap. And it's like flooded. And I'm just having a really bad day. Look at this. Calm down.
I'm sorry. There you go. I don't know where you're going in there.
Me neither.
Where are you going?
No idea, it just says Kurt.
What are you
See?
looking for?
Look how rainy it is.
Maybe you're delivering to those girls.
Oh my goodness.
There you go. See?
It's horrible outside. It makes me hate my life. And if you could see, you would tell that it was flooded. But you can't see.
The last one, someone gave me the wrong apartment number.
So anyways, that's my life today. Super crappy. Because it has rained all day. All day. All day. So, I almost just dropped my camera. Anyways, Laura is really nice and she's gonna make me some coffee and some sugar and some milk. And I'm gonna take a hot shower and then I'm gonna cry in my bed.